The sun rises over the jungle. Little tiger wakes, stretching in the warm light. Bounce, pounce, jump. He chases butterflies and frogs that hop away. Growl, growl, swish! Little tiger pretends he is big and fierce. Oops! His paws slip on the rocks. Splash! Into the pond he goes. But Mama is near. She pulls her little cub back to safety. Drip, drop, drip. Little tiger dries in the sunshine as butterflies flutter. Mama walks ahead. Little tiger races after her through the tall grass. The day is done. He cuddles close to Mama and drifts to sleep.